Okay guys, some of my favorite blue jeans, the zipper has broke. So I watched a video and it said to take off the stopper that was here at the top, but save it, and then take about 3 teeth off of each side of the zipper. And then we're gonna pull this, the mechanism that closes the zipper, we're gonna pull that off. Let's see if I can do this. Those were the stoppers that I saved. We're gonna use those again once we get the zipper fixed. I'm gonna set those over there. Now I'm gonna try to do this one-handed and pull this off the end. Let me get it real quick. Okay, now it's off. It said that one of the reasons why the zippers break is because the front and the back of this little closure gets too far apart, and so it will need to be pinched back together. So we'll do that. We'll pinch it back together before we put it back on. The next thing it said to do was to line up the zipper almost as if it was already zipped and just cross the teeth together. So I'm gonna lay the zipper together and then we'll start from there. Okay, so we've gotten it lined up, and now I am going to fit the zipper back on there. So let's see if we can get this on there. Okay, so the zipper, I slid it on so that one side of the head fit on this side, and then I slid this other side, making sure that the teeth are lined up as you slide this on. You'll know that it's engaged correctly because once this is on, it works like normal, okay? Now we're gonna go back in here and we're gonna clamp the end pieces that we saved back on the end. Okay, so I've added these end pieces back onto the end. I clamped them down with some pliers, and as you can see, there are about 3 teeth missing here, so there is a distance. So once I zip this up to the top, it stopped there, but I have a very minimal, like less than my fingernail gap where I took the teeth off, and it is now repaired and ready to wear again.